No, aprovecha, aprovecha. Entonces no, no, a mí no me sentar aquí, tengo aquí una vez cada...
There we go. Oh, there we go.
And it makes you see something. I mean, a few things are weird, but we're in there with, like, you know, the Mars. It's insane. Are you nuts or what?
Yeah, number 18.
Oh, come
The
on.
new Mars rover.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man.
Estamos en el laboratorio de personal robots.
So yeah, you can. That's part of the demo, and we'll show you guys in a second. But maybe I'll give you a little baby preface first. So this is the MDS robot. It stands for Mobile Dexterous Social, and it's one of the newest platforms for research in our group. And it's called an MDS robot because really those are the three defining features of the robot. You don't usually find those in combination on a single platform in robotics. A lot of times you'll find things that are mobile and even robots that can move around that also have very dexterous fingers, but usually there isn't a focus on the face. Usually the face is just a blank screen and maybe a couple blinking lights or something like that. But a big focus that we have in our group is on not just how you design a robot that's functionally capable of interacting with people, so it can pick things up and it can move around, but the robot needs to also be socially capable. So the applications that we're imagining aren't like the Roomba, for instance, that vacuums floors, where a person is in the loop, but a person's there just to push the buttons to tell it to start. The real goal of the robot is to clean a floor. The robots that we're thinking about, the goal of the robot is the person, is the interaction with the person. So a robot in a hospital, a robot in an elder care facility or in a daycare facility, these robots in the back, which were part of a long-term study which acted as weight management counselors in people's homes, helping them to lose weight. And these are applications where if the robot can't be socially acceptable, and if the robot can't fluidly interact with a person, then it doesn't function. It doesn't work, right? That's the whole idea. So for us, in this particular application, for this robot to be socially expressive, for it to have this face that can show emotion, that's what makes it functional. That's what makes it work. And we have a whole range of these kinds of robots in our lab, from Leonardo, who has even more degrees of freedom than this robot, more parts of the body that move, to one of our newest robots, Tofu, over here, or the robot that Siggy is designing, the MeBot, over here, which are much simpler robots, fewer degrees of freedom, but still maintain this kind of expressiveness and this kind of engagement with people. So Nesti, the robot, and we